Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fehinbeauty. Today is another beautiful day. So babes, this video she is not about me. So babes, this video of course is not about me. It is about one of my clients. So of course I did ask for permission before I did shoot the video, or even even before I um uploaded it. So babes, of course, I know you are excited to be seeing another face which is not my face, babes. Before we go straight into the video, do not forget to like, share, and comment. Also, babes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also, babes, do not forget to hit the notification bells to know when new videos goes up. Without wasting much of our time, let us go straight into the video.
So babes, this is the face we would be working on. Babes, I so fell in love with this face when I saw it, like when I came closer to the face, like I could see the texture, the pigmentation, the it is so beautiful. It is obvious that our face is well kept. So babes, without wasting much of our time, I could go on and on about talking about our face, but we are not doing that. So very quickly, I'm just like wiping off all of the face. So she had makeup on, you can see that from the wipe. She had makeup on, and she had like this very thick eyeliner, very black and thick eyeliner. So babes, I went into primer, and I'm just going to prime her face, like just let that sit, and let her face look good. And babes, once I am done priming her face, I am just want to go into my spray, and I want to spray her face. Her skin type is a normal skin type. Her face is not too oily, it's not too dry. Next, I'm going into my Fit Me foundation, and I went into my foundation brush to just blend that out. So babes, you can see, of course, her face is already changed just from the primer and the spray. It already has like our face, as it just like reflects so much. You don't have to add too much to this kind of face, because the face just pops it out. The little work, you get so much effects. So babes, I'm just like blending. I went with just one layer of foundation. In some places, like our under eye, I went with like 1.5 layer of foundation. I just topped it up a little bit, babes. So next, I'm going into highlights. I went into my LA Pro concealer. So babes, I'm just like trying to highlight, like I'm paying more attention to her under eye, because she has like this huge dark circle there, and I feel like it is due to the liner that she does. I feel like it's every day. I never asked her. I actually did not ask, but I feel like she does it like frequently, plus Niger stress and all. So babes, I'm just blending that out as much as possible. I'm trying to be like really careful, babes. So I'm just blending it out. So babes, this is of course she's a client and all, so you have to be gentle as much as possible. As much as you can, you have to be very gentle with her. So babes, I kind of love her because she's really patient and all. So next, I'm just going into my Fora concealer to, you know, for the contour. And of course, I'm just blending that out. So babes, like I said, I can go on and on and on about how beautiful our skin is. And the funniest thing is that she's not really way, but I feel like she's about 50-ish. I think she's like 50 or so. I'm just going into my beauty blender, to like remove lines of demarcation and to furthermore absorb excess concealer, just to like bring the face to as one, bring it together. So next I'm going into my translucent powder, and I'm going into my non-translucent powder to like set the highlights and contour. So babes, honestly, I was actually thinking, oh, I want to upload this Mona. But babes, here it is. She is uploaded. So babes, so far so good. She really did love her makeup and all. She was so happy about it. So I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to brush off excess powder away from her face. So babes, I kind of do not bake. For those who have been following me, I don't bake. I don't. But I just, I just wanted to like bake a little, like a very tiny-ish baking, because I face seems not too dry. So babes, of course I did furthermore highlights with the green tea palette, and I went into her brows with Diva pencil. I'm going into my beauty glaze eyeshadow palette, and I just going to like, in conjunction with my green tea palette, just going to like play with the eye. So as much as I wanted to aim a pattern look, because I previously asked her what kind of look she wants, and she told me, oh babe, do whatever you want, and I was like, wow, I love that. So babes, I wanted to give her a party look and yet a simple look that it's not too shouty. Big, she is not really a young woman per se, and just want to give her something that when people see that picture, she looks respected and all. The way you dress is the way you are dressed, the way you look is the way people actually would approach you. So I wanted to give her that subtle look. I wanted to bring her face down to look younger, as much as I did not want her to look too young to be, guys, you understand. I just wanted a natural look for her as much as possible, a beautiful look that it was in between party and everyday makeup look. So babes, of course, at the end of the day, we like just settled. I did love the makeup. I loved most of it. I enjoyed it. I actually did not want to finish, because I was really enjoying it. So babes, I'm just like doing her under eye, nothing much though, just trying to blend out her under eye. So next, I'm just going into my mascara, and I'm trying to clean out her lashes. She actually had false lashes on already, which was a problem for me, to be honest. But because they were very little and tiny, the problem was not really evident, because I had to be like extra careful with our eyeshadow. I could not really get as deep, like I could not really get into eye crease as much as I want. So next I went into my Kira liner for a lip, and Uda Beauty lipsticks for both lipsticks I used a dark red and a lighter red lipstick. I did love the way it all came out, and just kind of gave me this radiant look that I loved so much. Next, I'm highlighting the face from my green tea palette to see amiga. See, it is from my palette. And next, I'm doing a blush. Babes, we are pretty much done. So I'm just like, I actually felt like a nose contour was not, I wasn't feeling it, so I added like little something, which at the end of the day was like a too much something, and I had to extra blend, but it came out like pretty well at the end of the day, because I just so much loved it. Next, just like extra blending the nose together. So babes, into our brows, I'm going into my Go Brow, and next into my brow gel. I can't remember the name of the brow gel I actually used, but I remember the first one was Go Brow though, but I can't remember. So anyway, I just like popped the brow, just like set and arrange hairlines. Next, I'm going to spray a face. I'm spraying a face and popping up some lashes. And babes, we are pretty much done. She's ready to rock the party. Oh, rock the party. Oh, rock the party. Oh. So I'm just trying to adjust our brows while doing the the lashes. It flew off by the fan and stayed in her face, so I'm just trying to adjust that so as much as possible it doesn't show. So babes, next I'm lining or adding extra glue to our face, and with that I'm also lining so it can stay firm. Next, babe, I just set our brows. So
searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to a little story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or looks like boring. Yeah, just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
This brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to let me know what your views are. If you want more of these videos, also babes, do not forget to let me know in the comment section. And also, if there is any correction of sorts, let me know in the comment section below, babes. If you're also going to be trying it out, babes, let me know. Babes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell to know when new videos goes Till we meet again, babes, I remain your girl, Fehinbeauty.